Ay, nasa ano siya? Kahapon nasa...
Final will be meeting them. Open house na kami. Oh, that's dirty. Good morning po. What's this?
Club room na dating garden, di ba? Dito. Anong pakinig ba? Sige po. Punta niya dito. Ano ang dapat dito?
What madilim?
No, first. Yes. Picture kayo dito. Yes.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Second class Raposo is from Lang North Cotabato, sir.
Second class Rales from Island Garden City of Samal, Davao del Norte.
Second class Sumipo is from Clarin Hall, sir.
Picture.
Yes, sir.
Paano ba yung...
We're all second class.
Hindi, I mean, dito sa barracks na ito,
Yes, sir. All
ano
females.
ang all female, lahat ng kapatid.
First class and second class females, one, sir.
It's mixed.
Saan yung mga rooms ng first?
The one with the...
Isa lang? Ha? Here, two here. Where's the other one? Only one? Huh? What's to be a cadet also? Okay. First class, masasan na nilalagay yung mga gamit. First class, di ba? First ba?
NCR.
Anong kinuha mo nung K-12 ka ba?
Yes, sir.
Anong
What's
kinuha mo
trend?
sa-
STEM din.
Yes, sir.
Where are you, Sanse?
I am from Central Town, Manila, Negate.
Uy, taga dito lang pala ikaw, Cabrera.
From General Trias City, Cavite, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Anong kinuha mo, Stan?
STEM, sir.
Yes, sir. Ikaw, Cabrera. Hindi, maliit eh.
Baka itong isa.
Tignan natin.
May size pala yan.
Ito na lang.
Hindi ako gagala, baka
Ito lang.
I don't know.
Sa kabila sa Bali. Sa Army.
Yes, sir.
Kasi ay makapal nun eh.
Yes, sir.
That's the difference in bootcut and non-NS. In bootcut, there are full page of certain text. Then you have you're just about to answer three yes. And then another whole page. Yes. But not on the next subject.
They had 25
Only on yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're already on our summer. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Summer to the next. Yes. We had a change of terms. Academic terms. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kami tadi picture.
Kasi yung mga, kaya ko tinatanong, yung mga babae sa amin, ang nakagraduate ang 4 ng babae namin.
Yes, sir.
At ang isang doon, turn back.
Yes, sir.
Ganun.
Yes.
So, at least,
Sila marami na.
counting na lang.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
It started in the class 2026 when they had higher numbers of applicants for
female.
What year? What year again?
2026, sir.
Sila.
Yes, sir.
Ang dami ng
So sila
ang dami ng inahay na
Before,
babae.
the limit was 60 to 70. But
Ngayon, 80.
starting 2026,